Hi, this is a demo of the channel communication capability of ThreadMentor. In this demo, we will use the linear sort problem discussed in class. The channels we will be using are all synchronous one-to-one channels. Suppose that we have already compiled our program with visualization and uh, start, started running it. The input to these programs are 6, 4, 7, 1 in this order. So at the very beginning, the main program created the first sorting thread and the master thread. Then the main program waits for both thread to join. In the thread hierarchy, it's clear that the main program creates the sorting thread first, the first sorting thread first, followed by the master thread. Now, let's turn on the channel button. So far, nothing happens. But if we step through several times, you'll see something between two texts occurs. Again, if you don't remember the meaning of the text, click help followed by history graph. So here you'll see all the text listed. Now for the channel part, it's listed down here. CB channel begins waiting. So the thread begins waiting for message from a channel. And CS channel sent. It means this thread has sent a message to the channel. Channel receive, obvious. Channel acknowledge. That means when a channel send a message, when the thread send a message to the channel, because this is a blocking send and blocking receive. So the sender must wait until the receiver successfully receives the message. So acknowledge means the receiver has successfully received the message and inform the sender that the message has already been received successfully. So here, CB, again, you click on it, see a channel receive. Remember what this is? Each sorting thread receive a number, check to see whether that number is enter the data, and so on and so forth. So sorting one, waiting for a number. And then the master sends the number. The master sends the number. Sorry. And when the master sends the number, because this is blocking send, blocking receive. Therefore, the sender must wait until the first sorting thread to receive that message successfully. Therefore, we see a link between this channel send and this channel receive. Between this channel begin and this channel receive, sorting one is blocked. This is a red bar. Now, after sending the first message out to sorting one from the master blocks. After sorting one receive the number and acknowledge that the message has been received properly, then a acknowledge signal would be sent to the master. This is channel acknowledge. Then the sorting thread start to process the first number. After processing the number, because this is the first one, sorting one remembers this number. Then sorting one try to get the second number. So in the master, right after it receives an acknowledgement, it tries to send the second message. So after sorting one receive that message, the master gets a acknowledgement. So this CS, CR, and CK forms a triangle. Send, receive, and acknowledgement. Now, the master tried to send a second message. That is the second number to sorting one. While the channel, while the master is sending a message to sorting one, sorting one is still processing the second number it received. Right after it completes its processing, thread one wants to receive the third number. Now, because the numbers were 6, 4, 7, and 3, so here it sends out 6. Remember, it sends out 7 because 7 is larger than 6. So sort one sent 7 out. So the third number to be sent by the master would be 7. I'm sorry, this is 4. 4 would be remembered, and the 6 originally remembered by sort 1 would be passed to the next thread. And then let's take a look at what would happen. Now, as you can see, sorting 1 receive its try to receive the third number, which is 7. Now, sorting 1 creates sorting 2 because sorting 1 is still in the sending state. In order to send a message to sorting 2, therefore sorting 1 is blocked. Now, as you can see, sorting 1 sends its message to sorting 2 successfully. The CB on the sorting 2 bar means sorting 2 tries to receive this first number. Now receive it and remembers. Once the sorting 2 successfully remembers the first number, an acknowledgement is sent to sorting 1. Then sorting 1 waits for the next number, and eventually the number sent by the master here is received here. So in this case, sorting 1 is running because sorting 1 has received its third number. And the master is waiting for an acknowledgement from sorting 1. Sorting 2 is blocked because sorting 2 tries to get the second number. Now let's move on. In this case, master eventually received the acknowledgement from sorting 1. So master sent the next pair, the next number. Now sorting 1, after processing the received number and sent it out to sorting 2. So here we have seen the relationship between sending, receiving, and acknowledging. And of course, when you want to receive, you start to be blocked because this is a synchronous channel. Now here we have a channel button. Click this channel button. the channel being used would be listed here. Because currently we have only two sorting threads, sorting 1 and sorting 2. So this channel has a name we assigned to it. This name is channel from 0 to 1. This one is from 1 to 2. And synchronous channel, the size is 0, and this one is sending, this one is receiving. Now, if you click on any channel here, it shows you the a channel window. The message on the channel currently nothing. Receive message history, sending from sorting 1 to sorting 2, sorting 1 to sorting 2, and so on. So sorting 1 has sent 2 message to sorting 2. So this is the first message. This is the second message. These are the message received by each channel. But let's continue. Now, sorting 2 received the number and acknowledge is sent to sorting 1. And sorting 1 blocks for the next number. Then sorting 1 receive the next number from master here. Now, sorting 2 start to receive, sorting 2 start to send the number out here. So sorting 2 creates sorting 3. And now the master receives an acknowledgement from sorting 1. Sorting 3, after being created, waits for a message to be sent from sorting 2. As you can see, this all happened here. So this is the process. So we simply repeat CS, CB, CR, CK. So let's run it. So eventually, the program will end. The sorted number will be printed. As you can see, after sending the fourth number followed by end of data, master's ends. That the remaining sorting thread continues. Now the main program, after joining with the master, the main program waiting for the sorting threads. So the fourth sorting thread is created. Sorting thread waits for the number. Now sorting 1 is waiting for sorting 2. And so on. So I'm sure this channel visualization should be quite easy for you to understand. You may ignore the size here because we all use integers. The meaning of size here requires some other explanation. This visualization for channel communication on a synchronous channel should be very easy. By the way, this is our last ThreadMentor demonstration. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.